In this video, we will look at another interesting pricing analytics problem for discussion. Pre and post Christmas prices for profit maximization of Christmas cards. The pre-Christmas demand for Christmas cards at a local Hallmark stores is given by Q equal to 2000 minus 300p. The demand for Christmas cards after Christmas is given by Q is equal to 1000 minus 400p. If the store pays $1 per card, how can they maximize profits from Christmas cards? Assume they want all inventory sold. Adapted from Marketing Analytics, Wayne Winston for discussion. Let's look at the solution now. Q1 is equal to 2000 minus 300 P1, where Q1 is equal to demand equation for pre-Christmas. Q2 is equal to 1000 minus 400 P2. Q2 represents demand equation for post-Christmas. This is culled out from the problem statement. These are already given to us. P1 is equal to price per card pre-Christmas in dollar. P2 is equal to price per card post-Christmas in dollar. Cost per card is measured in dollar and it's $1 per card. So revenue for pre-Christmas equal to Q1 into P1, which is equal to 2000 minus 300 P1 into P1. This R1 is the revenue for pre-Christmas. Likewise, R2 is equal to revenue for post-Christmas. There is a typo here. So let me just make the correction here. It is post-Christmas. R2 is equal to revenue post-Christmas, which is equal to Q2 P2, which is 1000 minus 400 P2 into P2. R is equal to total revenue, which we'll have to add R1 plus R2. So this is equal to this expression, 2000 minus 300 P1 into P1 plus 1000 minus 400 P2 into P2. C is equal to total cost, which is equal to Q1 plus Q2. The number of Christmas cards pre and post Christmas added multiplied by $1. So this will be same as 2000 minus 300 P1 into 1 plus 1000 minus 400 P2 into 1, which will be this expression 2000 minus 300 P1 plus 1000 minus 400 P2. So profit is equal to revenue minus cost. Y is the profit, which is equal to R minus C, which is equal to this expression 2000 minus 300 P1 into P1 plus 1000 minus 400 P2 into P2. When I subtract this cost, this will be minus 2000, this will be plus 300 P1, this will be minus 1000, this will be plus 400 P2. So let me take it to the next slide. Right here, profit Y equal to this expression 2000 minus 300 P1 into P1 plus 1000 minus 400 P2 into P2 minus 2000 plus 300 P1 minus 1000 plus 400 P2. Differentiate this expression of Y with respect to P1 and equate to 0. You will get this 2000 into P1 will become 2000. 300 into P1 squared will become 600 P1. When I differentiate, there is a minus sign. Plus 300 is equal to 0. This plus 300 is equal to 0 is obtained by the constant term simplified So this will give us 600 P1 is equal to 2300. Because when I differentiate 300 P1 with respect to P1, this will become 300. I add it to 2000. So 600 P1 equal to 2300. This upon simplification, P1 is equal to 23 upon 6 or 3.83. Similarly, differentiate y with respect to P2 dy upon dP2 equal to 0 gives you 1000. This expression will become 0. 1000 minus 800 P2 plus 400. All the other terms will vanish. So upon simplification, 800 P2 is equal to 1400. P2 is equal to 14 by 8, which is equal to 1.75. So the pre-Christmas price will have to be set at $3.83. 23 upon 6 I retain for accuracy later. P2 is equal to 14 upon 8 or $1.75 is the post-Christmas price per card. So quantity or the number of cards pre-Christmas will be 2000 minus 300 P1, which is our Q1. Multiply this by the price 23 upon 6. This will give us 850. Q2 is equal to 1000 minus 400 P2 into 1.75. This will be 300. So the answer will be Q1 plus Q2 total Christmas card ordered will be 1150. You get the point? P1 is equal to $3.83. P2 is equal to $1.75. The revenue for the pre-Christmas cards Q1 P1 will be given by 850 quantity multiplied by the price 23 upon 6 is equal to $3258.33. Similarly, R2 is equal to Q2 into P2, which is 300 into 1.75, $525. Total revenue R1 plus R2. When I add this, let me remove this P1, which has appeared by mistake. So when I add this part, this will be 3783.33. 3783.33 is the total revenue, and the profit, the cost is equal to 1150 cards totally multiplied by $1. So $1,150. When I subtract, the profit will be 37833 minus 1150, which is equal to $2633.33. Signed, sealed, and delivered. This magnificent problem, which throws a lot of light as differential prices for the pre-Christmas and the post-Christmas, and that is the beauty of this problem. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed. We will see you soon in another video.